So this is an EBC31 connected to a master BMS controller via BACnet MSTP. The EBC31 has been configured to go to add-on modules, BACnet interface. First thing you have to do is make sure that the RS-485 settings, the MAC address has to be a number different than the MAC address of the master or any other controllers in the network. Mine is set to 2. So you can see the ranges from 1 to 127. The baud rate has to match the baud rate of the master controller. Also, go to parameters, item number 4, device ID. I have it set for 850013, and the reason I have set to 850013 is because the master BMS is configured to, as you can see, the EBC31 instance, it's 850013. Okay, so you can see also here the MSTP setting station address is set to 1. That definitely does not have to be the same as the one on the RS-485 settings called MAC address. I have this one set up for 2, the MAC address, and the station address, which is also, it has to be set for 1 or any other number other than 2. As you can see here, there is communication established. I got values that are changing as I change the speed. So the values change as I change the speed of the fan on the EBC31. And this is actually monitoring via BACnet MSTP. Those values you see there are actually connected via BMS. Right here, there's the connector. This cable is going into the EBC31. And they're connected to RS-485 number 1. Just make sure you got the ground, the negative and the positive connected to the right terminals on your master controller as well. So if those settings are followed, there shouldn't be any problem communicating with the EBC31. Those are the XTV values. These are the object device parameters, and the device errors, if there's any. The system status right now, status is on. I can turn it off. As I turn it off, the status changes to off. No alarms. I can also create an alarm by opening terminals 29 and 30 on the EBC31. The system just changed from no alarms to draft alarm because the EBC31 is an alarm. The alarm light is on, draft alarm, and it's matching what the BMS is reporting via BACnet MSTP. If I set that back on, if I set the jumper back into 29 and 30, the system will go back into no alarm. There it is. That's the way it should work. Alarm. Draft alarm. There's a little delay between the communication, about 3 to 5 seconds, as expected.